Have you ever wondered about the future of our sun and its impact on Earth? Let's take a moment to ponder on the concept of cosmic time, a scale that far exceeds the blink that is human existence. It's a concept that is difficult to grasp, as it transcends our everyday experiences and perceptions. You see, the universe operates on a clock of its own, a cosmic clock, if you will. This clock ticks not in seconds, minutes, or hours, but in eons. It's a clock that has been ticking since the birth of the universe, some 14 billion years ago, and it will continue to tick long after we're gone. Now let's talk about our sun, that familiar, warm, life-giving star at the center of our solar system. Like everything else in the universe, the sun is also bound by the cosmic clock. It also has a lifespan, a beginning, a middle, and an end. Currently, our sun is in its middle age, comfortably in its main sequence stage, where it's been for about 5 billion years. But what happens when the sun grows old? Just like many other stars in the universe, the sun will eventually transform into a red giant. This is a phase where it will expand enormously, its outer layers reaching out into the cosmos, growing brighter and redder. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for our home planet, Earth? Well, as the sun expands, the Earth will inevitably be affected. The oceans will boil away, the ground will become an inferno, and life as we know it will cease to exist. This transformation is not a matter of if, but when. The sun's metamorphosis into a red giant signals the prelude to the ultimate fate of our mother star. Though this event is billions of years in the future, it's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmic scheme of things. As the sun ticks along on its cosmic clock, the Earth is destined to dance in its fiery embrace. Imagine a day billions of years in the future when the sun begins to swell, growing larger and redder in our sky. This is no science fiction tale, but rather the inevitable fate of our life-giving star. As the sun burns through its hydrogen fuel, the balance of forces that have kept it stable for over 4.5 billion years will begin to shift. The sun will start its transformation into a red giant, an event marked by a gradual and massive expansion. The core of the sun, now devoid of hydrogen, will contract under its own gravity, causing the temperature to rise. This will ignite a shell of hydrogen around the core, resulting in the outward push of the sun's outer layers. This expansion will be so vast that the sun will engulf the nearest planets in its fiery embrace. Mercury and Venus, our solar system's innermost planets, will be the first to succumb to the sun's growing appetite. But what of our home, Earth? As the sun continues to swell, it's possible that our planet too will be swallowed in this final cosmic dance. However, life as we know it will be eradicated long before this cataclysmic event. The conditions on our planet will become extreme, well before the sun reaches its metamorphic peak. As the sun expands, its luminosity or brightness will increase, causing Earth's temperatures to rise dramatically. Oceans will evaporate, and the surface will become a barren, scorched desert, inhospitable to life as we know it. Our destiny is inexorably linked to the sun's transformation. This is not a cause for despair, but rather a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. We are passengers on a cosmic journey, observers in a grand ballet of celestial bodies, each dancing to the rhythm of cosmic time. In its final act of destruction, the sun, the giver of life, will consume the Earth in a cosmic ballet. But remember, this event, though inevitable, is billions of years away. For now, we continue to thrive under the watchful, warming gaze of our sun, our mother star. With the Earth's fate tied to that of the sun, what does this mean for humanity? As we ponder over this question, we are reminded of the inevitable transformation of our mother star. This transformation, a gradual expansion into a red giant, will eventually engulf the nearest planets, including our own. Life as we know it will cease to exist, not in an abrupt catastrophic event, but in a slow cosmic dance that spans billions of years. The destiny of Earth, indeed the destiny of humanity, is inexorably linked to the evolution of the sun. As we stand on the precipice of this cosmic event, we are compelled to reflect on the meaning of our existence within the vast cosmos. The end of the terrestrial sun and the demise of our planet serve as humbling reminders of our ephemeral presence in the grand cosmic theater. Yet, this cosmic twilight is not a death knell for humanity. Rather, it is a call to action, a clarion call to explore the stars, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, to seek out new homes in distant star systems. The importance of space exploration in our quest for survival and continuity as a species cannot be overstated. As we look towards the skies, we see not just the end of our world, but the beginning of new possibilities, new worlds waiting to be discovered and explored. In the face of such cosmic immensity, the need to preserve and appreciate our planet becomes ever more imperative. We are reminded that we are but a small part of a vast and intricate cosmic web, a transient flicker in the grand scheme of things. Yet it is within our power to ensure the perpetuation of humanity beyond the temporal confines of our own solar system, to write a new chapter in the story of our species. The cosmic twilight of our sun underscores the urgency of our journey to the stars. The end of the terrestrial sun is not just a reminder of the transience of our existence, but a beacon guiding us towards our cosmic destiny. In the face of such an event, what does the end of the terrestrial sun teach us? The answer resounds in the silence of the cosmos, whispering a profound truth: the transience of all things. The universe, in its infinite expanse, is a stage where celestial bodies perform their fleeting acts of existence. Stars, like our sun, are born, they live, and inevitably, they pass away. Their lifetimes, though gargantuan in terms of human years, are but mere moments in the cosmic clock. This is a humbling reminder of the ephemeral nature of everything, even the stars that illuminate our nights and fuel our days. As the sun evolves, gradually expanding into a red giant, it will engulf the planets closest to it, including our own Earth. This cosmic metamorphosis, although billions of years away, underscores the impermanence of our planet and the life it harbors. And yet, within this transience, lies a profound lesson about appreciation and preservation. Our Earth, this blue marble suspended in the vast cosmic ocean, is our home. It has nurtured life in its myriad forms, borne witness to our triumphs and failures, and cradled us in its protective atmosphere. As the sun's transformation looms in the distant future, we are reminded to cherish this planet while we still have time. Preserving our Earth is more than a noble cause, it is a necessary endeavor. The realization of our planet's fragility and transient existence compels us to protect and sustain it. Each forest conserved, each river cleaned, and each species protected is a step towards preserving our cosmic home. These actions, however small they may seem, are our testament to the universe. They signify our recognition of the transience of all things and our commitment to safeguard the fleeting beauty we are privileged to experience. The end of the terrestrial sun is a stark reminder of our fleeting existence and the value of our cosmic home. It reminds us to appreciate the present, to endeavor for a sustainable future, and to marvel at the cosmic dance that we are a part of, however brief our part may be. As we stare into the future, what calls does the end of our sun echo to us? The transformation of our sun, the end of its terrestrial reign, is a cosmic symphony that sounds a call not to despair but to exploration. It's a call to lean into the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and our capabilities. It's a call to look beyond the borders of our own solar system and seek our place in the wider cosmos. Surely, it's a call that resonates with the innate curiosity that has driven us since the dawn of our existence. The same curiosity that led us to explore the highest mountains and the deepest oceans on our planet is now urging us to venture further, to discover what lies beyond our celestial neighborhood. But this call to exploration is also a call to reflection. It's a reminder to contemplate our place in the universe. We are but a small part of a vast cosmic web, a transient blip in the grand scale of cosmic time. Yet it is within our grasp to make a lasting impact, to ensure our survival and continuity as a species. This call to exploration is not a call to abandon our planet, but to cherish it, to appreciate the beauty and diversity of life that it sustains, to recognize its fragility, and to strive for its preservation. It's a call to remember that while we look towards the stars, our first duty is to the home that has nurtured us. The end of our sun is not an end, but a beginning of a new chapter in the story of humanity. A chapter in which we expand our horizons, explore new worlds, and seek our destiny among the stars. It's a future filled with possibilities, a future shaped by our ambition, our courage, and our resilience. The sun's twilight is not a curtain call, but a clarion call, a call to exploration and the discovery of our place in the ever-evolving cosmic scene.